strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here together.
Check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check, check, mic check. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we are looking at another sound bar. This one comes from Vinoil. Okay, so we've got an accessory pack. Let's just get it all out of here real quick. Now, this is running off of, whoa. Oh, that is thick. That's a girthy looking, it's girthy. That is nice looking. Look at that, that's clean. Now, they're saying that it has powerful surround sound. It's got 2 full range speakers, and it actually has built-in subwoofer apparently. Now, it can just stand up, but it also has a wall mount, which I believe that's what this is. There you go. You got an optical port, which is great. You got the coaxial and the auxiliary or Bluetooth, and then you have your power. Now on the sides, looks like you've got passive radiators. Can we get a good angle of that? Can you all see those? It's hard for me to, let's get a, there we go. And then on the front, you've got your controls. Now it does come with a remote. Let's go ahead and look at that real quick. All right, pretty basic remote. You got power, mute, up and down volume, next, previous track, play and pause. You can switch your input modes, so optical, auxiliary, coaxial. Looks like these are presets for music or movie, and then you have your Bluetooth pairing button. Now it does come with a kit, so you can mount it. Soft pads. Looks like we got basic user guide. Optical cable, that's nice, it comes with it. You've got your 3.5 cable and your power cable. I am gonna go straight Bluetooth with this to start off with, and then we'll test it out in here, and then we'll take it over in the other room and set it up to the television. There we go, the Vinoil. That is not bad at all. You know what? I've heard enough. It sounds really good in here, but let's hear it in an actual environment with the television. So let's go set this up in the other room. Let's go. Okay, so we're in another room. I've got a TV set up, and I got the sound bar set up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually play a little bit on just the television speakers, and then I'm going to switch it over to the sound bar. Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we are looking at the Tri-Bit Fly Buds. Now, a few of you guys actually requested this. I'm actually going to be kicking this off with a little giveaway. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt, and today we are looking at the Tri-Bit Fly Buds. Now, a few of you guys actually requested this. I'm actually going to be kicking this off with a little giveaway. Okay, wow, that's a big difference from the TV speakers. Now, you guys can only hear a very limited sample of what this thing actually has to offer, but first of all, this is a kind of an echoey room, it's kind of an empty room, but I will say that this is putting off a nice surround sound. It's a lot more vibrant than the television speakers. Now, even at high volume with this, it gets a little ear piercing, so you may even have to turn it down a little bit, but it does a really good job. I'm actually pretty surprised at the amount of bass that comes out of it. It's not
like large subwoofer bass, but it is impressive for a soundbar. If you have this type of setup where it's just the television and you're looking for kind of an affordable way to maybe boost that sound quality up a little bit, but without going crazy and getting like a $3,000 system, maybe check out Vinoil. Never heard of them before, but so far so good. I like it. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave links down in the description below as usual. I leave it in your hands, but as for now, get out of here.
Oh. I just realized something. Okay, so this is the way it's presented. That's why there we go. There we go. So you got the display in the front. Duh.
I'm gonna leave links down in the description below. Look at how I'm doing this. Here, you know what? There, I'm on one knee. Will you, okay. Ow, this hurts. Oh, it's a hardwood floor. Ow.